So it's the full armsceye, which for me is 18, and it's going to be on 8th division. So that's on the short arm of the stick. So I gotta find, for me, I gotta find 18 on here. That's that little dip. And then we are adding 1/2 inch. So that's 0.5. And they want us to square up. So not very much, 2 inches. 6 is going to fall here somewhere. And we got to find our full armsceye, which for me is 18 inches. And we're going to find that on the 1/2 division. So again, that's the short arm of the stick. I'm 18 here. So 6 from 5. So you put the point on 5, and you measure, you locate your armsceye on the 1/2 here, and that is 0.6. Okay, moving on to step 7. 7 from 6 is full armsceye on 8th division plus 1/4 inch. So my full armsceye on 8th division is the short end of the stick right here. So my armsceye is 18 inches. 7 from 6 is full armsceye on 8th. Make that little tab, and then it's plus 1/4 inch. I know, it's so ridiculous. Ah, wait, right here, 1/4 inch. So that's 7. I'll erase all my other mistakes. 7. Square down 7 towards 9. So elbow line is line 3, which I didn't extend far enough. So now I have the intersection, and that's going to be 8. Step 9. 9 falls at intersection of bottom line. Well, somebody didn't square that out either, so let's square this out. And 9 is going to be the intersection right here. 10 from 9, so 10 is going to be on the 2-9 line somewhere. So 2 to 9 for me is 14 3/8 of an inch. So 1/2 of that is 7 3/16. So here's 7 and here's 3/16. So that's 1/2, and then I have to add a 1/2 inch. Now remember, 10 from 9 is this plus a 1/2 inch, which means it's farther towards 2, not closer towards 9. So that's going to be 10. So 9 to 10 now is 7 5/8. So I'm going to do 7 5/8 up here, and that's going to be 11. Connect 10 with 11 and continue towards 13. So you're going to draw a line 10 to 11, and you're going to just draw it all the way up to the top past the A line. Point 12. 12 falls at intersection of back notch line. That happens to be line 4. So this part right here, line 4, and your perpendicular line, that's going to be 12. So here's line A, and on that same perpendicular line, you're going to make a little 3/8 of an inch point up here, and that's going to be 13. Step 14. 14 from 13 is full armscye on 8th division minus 1/4 of an inch. So let's establish that measurement first. On the 8th division, find your full armsceye. So mine again is 18. So we're going to look for the 8ths right here, 0 to 8. 18 is here. And then we have to subtract 1/4 of an inch. So I suggest we just do that right on the ruler. And 1/4 of an inch is basically, for me, would be 18 to 16. So it's these two dits. Each one is 1/8 of an inch. So you're just going to be going down one number to subtract 1/4 of an inch. So for me, so that measurement is going to be at 16 from this point. So what you're going to do is you're going to place 16 on your 13 point, and then where it intersects on your A line is where you're going to make that mark. So here's my mark, and that point is going to be 14. "15 from 5 is 1 1/4 inch. So here's our 5, and we're going to measure up 1 1/4 inch. And that's 15. This is the same distance that you had to put your notch in your bodice front. So that's going to turn into a notch, and you're going to be able to match that up to your bodice front notch. Connect 14 with 12 as indicated. So on this line, the 14 to 12 inch line, you're going to mark 1/2 inch farther down. And that's 16. "13, 16, 15, and 1 as a guide. And again, you can use your ruler, your curved ruler later on to create this line. So we're going to do that same weird stuff where we're going to locate the full armsceye, 18, and this time we are going to add 1/4 of an inch. So that would be 20. So the distance from 18 to 20 is actually a real life 1/4 inch on the 1/8 inch divisional ruler. So you're going to take your 20, which is the 1/4 inch plus my armsceye, you're going to place that on your 13 point. I'm going to place the corner on 13, and then I'm going to locate the location of 20 on the A line. So for me, that is here. And that is going to be 0.17. So here's 6 and 7. For me, that's 2 1/2 inches. The center of 2 1/2 inches is 1 1/4 inch. That's 18. Connect 18 with 17. Connect 11 to 18, and you're going to extend that 19 falls on line 4. So here's line 4. This is going to be 19. And this is going to be a back notch. So you're going to be notching that too. You're going to be notching point 19 and point 15 once you cut out your pattern piece. "21 from 17 is a ½ inch. So here's 17. 21 is going to be down from 17. So here's my ½ inch, and 21 is going to be in here. So 21 is on the inside of farther down here. Using point 7, 20, 19, 21, and 13 as a guide. So I'm going to reshape this line 13 to 21 to 19 to 20 and to 7.